Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. Happy Halloween. So I want to point out before we begin that my voice is kind of huff today. I just caught you know what and my voice is not completely back. I'm still out of breath sometimes, so I'm sorry if it sounds a little bit weird in this video. I'm gonna try to speak a little bit louder, but it is what it is. So I didn't want to wait any further. I postponed this unboxing because I was sick, and now we're almost at the end of October, so I need to do this unboxing. I want to know what's in the box, and I wanted to share this with you. So let's do this. Let's open the box. Alice is already here. She's waiting for me to open this. She's been waiting for like 2 weeks now. So let's open this. Can I okay. Yay! We're gonna open the box. So the inside of the box, first we have the little card. So it says featured cat lady artist Monika Suska. She's from Poland. No. And she has an Instagram at monika.saska. So make sure you check her. We have all the items here with all the prices. Not gonna check them. I was really good. I didn't see any peek. So okay, the first thing I see is the t-shirt. So let's start with the t-shirt. It says Black Cat Fan Club 2015. It's a very pretty color. It's like I'm not sure. It's like purple, brown, like in these colors. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. What are you doing? You're eating the paper? So this is a cute t-shirt. It's not my favorite. I was waiting a little bit more for the box of October because normally the October box is a really good box. This t-shirt is, I love the color, but I don't think it's their best t-shirts. Alice is doing a lot of noise. What are you doing? Oh, you found something. Okay. So she found a toy. Oh, did you lick it? So, wait. So it's a cat, I guess. There's no features. So it resembles the cat that I got in the last October box. That was a frog. I don't know if you remember that. The box in 2021 was disguised as a frog. This one is disguised as a pineapple. So that's kind of interesting. They are super cute. Let me show you all around. So the other one I kept kind of for myself. I didn't let the cat play with it because I loved it so much. Probably gonna do the same thing with this one. But this one is, I think he is less cute than the other one. I don't know. And I feel like he's missing the face. Like he just has 2 eyes and 2 ears, that's it. There's no mouth, there's no nose, nothing. Which is weird. So the Black Cat Fan Club tee is $22. The pineapple kitty cat nip toy is $6. Okay, the next thing, I'm gonna do the toys because the cats are all over them. So the next thing is a little round with a paw. So it says black cat paw catnip toy. This is super cute. I really love this. I think this is super well made. This black cat paw catnip toy is $5. Interesting. So let's see what's next. So Alice made a mess. So everything is kind of, let's try to, okay, so I cannot really move them, but this is what we have. So this is cat magnet. So these are magnets. Let's see what they are. Okay, so it's big magnets. I'm going to show you. So I have this little cat. I really love the pink one. I really love the colors. So I just remove everything from the box because they are eating the paper and I'm not sure it's good for them. So as I was saying, the magnet on the back is pretty big. It's really cool. I love this. These are $15. It's a set of 6. What does it say? It says, it doesn't say a lot. These are really cute. I'm gonna put that on my fridge. I have a lot of magnets that are ugly, very ugly. So these are gonna be a good addition. And the last thing we have is this. So a cat print. What is it? Tell me what you think it is in the comments down below before I open it. Like pause the video and go tell me what you think it is. I mean, it may be like a blanket, it could be a bag, it could be a clothing thing, it could be a lot of stuff. Let's see. Nico, what are you doing? Didi? Didi? Okay, let's go back to this. It's really well wrapped. Yeah. Here. Ooh, it's very soft. Very, very soft. So let's see. So it's a blanket. It's really nice. Wow, I really like it. Super soft. It's really, the print is really cute. As always, it feels like it's a little bit damaged because of the packaging, but it's not that bad. Like it could be worse. I really love this. How much is this? So it's Black Cat's blanket. It's $19. Oh, nice. I'm super happy. So I wonder what's your favorite item. Mine has to be the blanket. I really love the magnets. I love the little kitty toy. Even the paw. Hey, look at that. Even the paw is super popular, and so it's really cute. The only thing that I'm a little bit not impressed, I guess, is the t-shirt. Maybe because last time it was really, really amazing. It was a really amazing, like, sweatshirt. It was really cool. So I was waiting for something a little bit more like, like more heavy, like more interesting, with a design with like black cats that were really cool. But I mean, that's okay. That's cute. I like it. It's cute. I don't know why 2015, but so guys, this is it. There was not a lot to say. I mean, magnets, a blanket, 2 toys, and a t-shirt. Nothing to be like confused about in this box. I feel like the value was pretty good, and yeah. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video before you leave. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of the box. Tell me what you think of my costume. Tell me what you think about this crazy guy here. And if you want, you can subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me and see what I do. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.